today I have a new product. I just purchased Karrueche's Ruechi Beauty Refresh Kit, and I'm going to show you the unboxing, and then I'm going to show you my first impressions of the products.
I'm so excited. Look at her. She looks gorgeous. Gorgeous. Okay. Gorgeous. Nano facial mister, cryo sculpting tool, plush spa headband, and a silicone zipper bag. I'm most excited about the bag. So fun. Okay, this is a nice bag. So it's rubbery, which makes me feel like it's waterproof, which is great. Okay. Okay, so I would have liked to see it open all the way around and like halfway open, but it just opens at the top. The Nano Mister. This is the headband, and this is the Cryo sculpting tool.
So this is the bag. I don't know if you can see, but embossed, is the Ruechi logo. There it is. It's really cute. It's silicone, giving it that rubbery feel, which I really like. So for travel, I can put my liquids in here, and even if they spill, I don't really have to worry about it getting damaged or damaging my other things in my suitcase. I also like that this seems like scratch proof. I was scratching it because I saw something on it, and it didn't leave any nail marks. It's very durable. I could probably throw it across the room and it'll be okay. And I like that. I like durability. So this is awesome. I already opened the products because I'm not gonna hold y'all. I recorded this video in full, the real true unpackaging. The audio didn't work. My mic died. So I'm so sick of these external mics, but I digress. When I open it, inside came the first item, which I love, which is the Nano Facial Mister. I've already filled it up with water. It opens from the back, like I thought this was a battery pack, but it's not. It's where you fill up the water. This little tube opens right there, and then you fill it up. I filled it up with some Fiji water because, you know, if it's going on my face, I want the water to be pure. I just snapped it back on, and then you literally slide it down and the mist comes out. And it's such a great mist. Like, I would just do this for no reason. At work, when it gets dry in my house, just like it's giving humidifier, handheld humidifier, but it's also here for the moisture purposes. I want to point out that I actually use a Avene water mister, and look how big that mist is. It will leave droplets on your face, which I do like it. It's fine, but now that I have this, because of the aesthetic and the fine mist, I'm a fan of anybody who can do fine mist. Like, it's just everything. It's so subtle and it's so needed. And after a while, it'll turn off on its own, even though it won't actually be empty. And then it just turns off, so like you're done. And then you close it. And if you want to keep going, just reopen it. Okay, the next item is the cryo sculpting tool, which is supposed to help for redness, inflammation, and also contouring. It comes in this cute silicone case. And I actually have like circular ice cubes for cocktails. And the case is actually designed the same way. It's the different shape, obviously, but it's the same concept. You fill it up with water at the top, which I'm gonna fill up today, and then when I get home from work, it should be frozen, and then we'll test it out. I filled it up actually last night because, again, I told you I recorded this video, and it didn't freeze right. Like it expanded, so I feel like I put maybe too much water in it. So this time I'm going to be mindful of it. It expanded to like, it like got wider, like the cap was like lifted like this, and it was like pushed out like this. And I was like, okay, so put less water since it expands when it freezes. I'm excited for this one, especially just because I'm into facial contouring. I'm in my fitness journey, so I really want my face to be full and like youthful, but also jawline snatched, you know? So I'm excited for this tool. I'm gonna fill it up with water, and then we're gonna put it in the freezer, and then I'll pull it back out after working. And then the last thing in the kit is this spa head wrap, which I think is adorable. I love that it's black and gold. I just love that aesthetic. I honestly think she should do a nude version of this whole set, like a clean beige version. I would literally rebuy the whole set just to have that color. But this is the next best thing in my opinion, because I like to wear blacks and neutrals, and I feel like I could wear this to the gym. Obviously I can, when I do my Sunday facials, I can wear it for that. I love it. Hey guys, I'm back from work. I just pulled the thing out the fridge. Now it did bust open. I guess water expands when it freezes. It busted open. I ran a little bit of warm water on it to get off the spillage, the frozen spillage. It still hasn't opened. I just ran it under the hot water. It said warm water in the instructions, but I did hot water, and it popped right off. So you can see how the tip still has the shape of the cap. So this indicates that I still filled it up too much. But it's okay, because as soon as it hits my face, it's gonna melt. Now I'm a little nervous about this because I know it's gonna be freezing. So I'm just gonna do, oh, it's cold. This will probably be lovely at the pool in the summertime because the water is dripping. My face is wet. I don't have any makeup on, but I do have like moisturizers. I have a little pimple that I popped here, so I'm gonna just run it over that. The water is dripping all down my face, but I like it. I want to pick up like my favorite mask ever. It's by Kiehl's. It's a turmeric mask that also has some exfoliating properties. They have this little beads in it, but it's nice. And if it contours, shrinks pores, all of the things that it claims to do, I am here for it. My face feels frozen. Okay, I'm gonna stop there for now. Put the cap on. I'm actually just gonna refreeze this as is. I'm not gonna re-add water because I feel like one whole frozen movement could at least last me like two to three cycles. Yeah, that's Karrueche's skincare kit, and I can't wait to see what the results do. My face already feels tighter. So now I'm thinking fresh out of a facial, pores open, just exfoliated, and then I close them back up with that tool. That sounds like the move. But yeah, this is it. I just wanted to give you my first impressions, my unboxing, and I wanted to test out the product for you because I love Karrueche, but I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Like, I'm gonna keep it 100 every time because I'm tired of people lying about products. But Karrueche's, she did her biggest one. This tool, let me find out it snatches my face for real. Like, by summertime, I am not going to be the one to be played with. I hope she comes out with like some lip glosses, maybe a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer. Like, I don't feel like I want a full makeup line from her, but I also don't feel like, I feel like skincare will be fine, but I would really like these type of tools. I want to see this come in beige or a nude color or a sand color. And then I want to see some lip glosses. Like, sometimes I'm in like I keep telling you guys, I'm in my no makeup era. So a lot of times I just want to brow and some popping gloss, like some popping gloss. A body oil. Yes, we need a body oil. I heard on a podcast once that when this girl, she said whenever she goes on a vacation with a guy, he always wonders how she like gets out the shower glistening. And she said her secret tip, her pro tip is that she, right before she gets out the water, she douses her body basically in body oil. So by the time she gets out, it looks like she's glistening from the shower. And I was like, she ate that. So when I finally go on my vacation, hopefully this year, I plan to do the same thing. So I would love to see a body oil from Karrueche, the lip gloss, the tinted moisturizer. And you know what? Don't overwhelm me. I think we could stop there. Maybe a good moisturizer, maybe a serum. But again, we're teetering into full-blown skincare line, and that one's hard to do. It may not actually be hard to do, but it's hard to please me because I'm so nitpicky about my skincare. I'm a lot more flexible with beauty. So again, Karrueche, you heard it here first. That's all I have. This is Ruechi Beauty. I love it. You know what? I should have put my my spa band on when I did that, but it's okay. I'm putting it on now. Thank you for watching, and tune in a couple days for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tag Karrueche. Let her know I see her, and let her know that I'm so happy for her and proud of her and excited for what Ruechi Beauty becomes. Take care, y'all. Bye.